Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi and today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to be showing you how I prepared tofu momos. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. Here I've got tofu, carrot, capsicum, onion, baby corn, finely chopped spring onion, green chilies, soya sauce, ginger garlic paste, sesame oil, curry powder, garam masala, and Ajinomoto. We would also require butter and salt as per taste. I've prepped all the veggies ahead of time. So I've peeled the carrot, roughly chopped the carrot, and added it to a mixer jar along with the baby corn. I'm going to use the pulse mode, and here I've pulsed it to form a coarse powdery consistency. So once the carrot has ground into that coarse consistency, I've added it to a mixing bowl. I'll be pureeing the capsicum or the bell pepper and transfer it back to the mixing bowl. The bell pepper definitely adds a lot of flavor to this dish. We need to pulse the tofu in the same manner and transfer it back to the mixing bowl. Here I'm going to chop the onion and add the chilies and pulse it twice and add it back to the mixing bowl. The reason I'm finely pulsing all the ingredients is because it will cook faster in the dumpling. So once you've added all your ingredients, from here we need to add the spring onions, ginger garlic paste, sesame oil. Sesame oil is already cooked. It is nicely smoked and reserved. Don't add raw sesame oil. Here I've added curry powder, garam masala and asafoetida. I've added the sesame oil and the soy sauce. I have not added salt at this point. Once I'm ready to prepare the momos or the dumplings, that is when I'll be adding the salt to the filling and I'll start preparing my dumplings. So I've combined all the ingredients at this point. I'll cover the filling and allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes while I prepare my dumpling wrapper. Here I've got all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. I've added salt and baking powder. Combined all the ingredients in the flour. I've gradually added water. Add lukewarm water to this and knead it to form a semi-tight dough. Don't make it too soft, don't make it too tight. We need a semi-tight dough. Gradually add water. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with the measurements. A detailed recipe is posted on my blog. The blog link will also be listed in the description box below this video. For regular updates, you can like and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I've also got a Tamil channel where I translate and post the same recipes in Tamil language. Once I finish kneading this into a dough, I've added 2 tablespoons of oil to the dough just to keep it moist. I started kneading it for a further 5 to 10 minutes till it's nice and smooth. Now we'll allow the dough to rest for 20 minutes. My filling is also marinated well. At this point I'll add salt because I'm going to prepare the dumplings immediately. If you're not preparing your dumplings immediately, you can store this filling in the refrigerator. Once you're ready to prepare the dumplings, only then you're going to be adding the salt. Now I've added salt as per taste. Combine the filling and the filling is ready. My dough has rested well. Now I'm going to form large roundels. We are going to start rolling out the dough into sheets. So I'll dust my surface with extra flour and start rolling out the roundels. Dough into thin sheets. Don't make it too thin also. I've got a detailed playlist how to prepare momo soup, how to prepare momos, how to prepare different varieties of momos. I'll list the playlist in the iCard above this video or in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've rolled out into a thin sheet. Using a soup bowl, I'm just going to cut out the sheet and form circles. So this will have a uniform circle. You can also use a cookie cutter, but cookie cutter will be very small. You will not have that size wrapper to form dumplings. So use a soup bowl. Now once the circles are formed, I prepared a bunch of these circles. I'll be filling the dumpling wrapper with the filling and fold it in half and crimp the edges to form pleats. You can prepare this in a traditional momo style also. I've shown you a detailed recipe how I fold momos. Or you can crimp it like I am doing it here. For the first batch I did crimp it, and you can start pan roasting it. You can steam cook these or you can pan roast it as I am doing it. So either ways it tastes very good. You can also deep fry these. Now once I've formed the dumplings, I'm going to start pan roasting it. So dumpling need not be always steam cooked. It can be pan roasted. So once I finish preparing the momos, I've heated a pan on medium flame. Use a non-stick pan. I've added a tablespoon of butter to the pan. My dumplings are ready at this point. So I'm just going to arrange the dumpling in the pan. The pan is on low to medium flame. At this point I'll be adding 1/4 cup of water. I've added warm water. I'll cover and cook this dumpling until it's well done. It roughly took me around 3 to 4 minutes to cook this set of dumplings. And once it has cooked, it will be easy for us to flip it to the other side and cook it to the other side and fry it. So this is how I prepared my pan-fried tofu momos. It turned out really good. Do give this recipe a try, friends. It is very nice, especially during this winter season. This is a complete meal on its own. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my blog link, social media handle links, and the link to my Tamil channel. Here you can see the dumplings turned out so good. I served it with some momo soup and chutney and thoroughly enjoyed it. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.